Hey guys, what's up? Mr. Sommerfeld. I'm just going to show you how to upload or actually export a video from scratch and then upload it to Google Classroom. So here we go. So first thing I want you to do is make sure you're signed in, and it's always good practice to be signed in because if your computer glitches out on you, it'll save automatically for you. You'll usually see a want to save question right here, and you click on that and it'll save. So when you're ready to export, when you're all finished, you're going to click here on record and export video. We do want to include the sound from the project, we want to include the mouse pointer, and we also want to record the entire editor just so I can see everything that you've done. So it takes a minute, and then when you give it the command to start, it'll obviously begin. Once you've finished, you can click on this little square right here, and that will finalize your video. It's going to take a minute here for me, and so I've already actually pre-done this so I don't have to wait for it to write. So then where you're going to go, once it's written and you've saved it properly, you're going to go to Google Classroom, open it up under the right assignment that you've just completed. Then you're going to go to, I don't need to see that, behind my other image. Then what I want you to do is to add file, and then it's going to ask you where can I upload the file from. You can go and find it on your desktop. For me, I just named it Animate a Name. You can open that up, upload it, and it's going to take a little bit, but you can enjoy the music that I got playing in the background. Once it's there, go ahead and turn it in. And then you can view your video as well just to check it out. It's probably going to take a bit to process in Google Drive, so it might not be ready, but it will definitely be there for me if you've done it according to this video. So, thanks. Hopefully this helps.